Here's a little treat for you guys. Okay, so now you need to. I've added some stuff to it. You need to get some soap, and I need to get some more. Dish soap works perfect. You just need a lot. Not too much though, or it won't work. Now you take your trusty spoon, mix that all up. You got yourself a tornado. Oh, and the first thing is the computer. Yeah. Sorry about that. Just gonna mix this up. Now look, you can see the funnel plugs extending all the way to the ground. And the debris in it. Let me try this. You guys see that alright? Yeah, you should anyways. Funnel extending all the way to the ground, debris. That's how you can clearly see how a tornado works. Like my body. Yeah, I got no shirt on because I'm a man and it's a free country, so fuck you haters. Fuck all haters.